Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Destiny or Des, and I have my assistants
Juju and Imani.
And today we're going to be doing the volcano experiment. The materials that you're going to need are vinegar, water, tape, a tablespoon measuring spoon, scissors, paintbrushes, dish soap, 200 milliliter bottle or as close as you can get to it, baking soda, and some paints. It could be watercolors or the normal paints, or if you want to color it before you start assembling, you can use the crayons or color pencils. Are you ready, guys?
Let's do this!
And you're going to take your pencil and you're going to trace around it. Now you want to have your hand on it so it kind of stays a bit steady, because if it moves around too much, then your circle may be a bit off. It doesn't have to be perfect, but if you get it close enough, then you should be fine. Whenever you do it, you can use the lip of the bottle or you can use a cap, so you can kind of get the rough shape of it. You don't want to cut all the way through, because if you do that, you'll end up with two separate pieces, and you kind of want to have it one piece so you can fold it around into that cone shape. It makes it a lot easier so you don't have to work with multiple pieces of paper. And when you're cutting it, it doesn't have to be a perfect shape, because you're going to end up painting or coloring on it later if you haven't colored it already. So it doesn't have to be that perfect circle shape. Okay, at this stage we are going to start painting the volcano. Imani, I want you to start up here at the top just to show that the lava has started to flood on the volcano. And so she's going to be using the red. And Juju, I want you to start down more so near the bottom, and so you can use the darker green. I'm going to be using a little bit of the lighter green, kind of near the top, so he knows kind of some differentiation, so you can tell the different greens. And then I may go with black and put some dots around so they can show more of the rocks. You guys ready?
Yep. Yep.
All right, let's get started. Kind of just place these green patches around, kind of around everywhere a bit.
Should I help Juju? No, I don't need no help.
Just touch it up a bit, because when you do, then we'll be able to, because it's kind of like a little bit of water down at the bottom. See, we have our volcano painted. Thank you, Imani and Juju, for helping with that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to start combining our ingredients, and so we can put them in the volcano. Imani, can you give me the dish soap, please?
Here you go.
You are going to need, and you want to make sure you get the measurements correct. You're only going to need about a tablespoon of dish soap. Here you go. Or some type of soap. You are going to need 1 tablespoon of the bicarbonate, or you use it as the baking soda. You need the baking soda, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go. And then you're going to need only 2 tablespoons of the water. Mommy, can you hand me that? So there's 1, and then you have 2. Here you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of this together. You want to make sure that all of them mix together, so make sure that you're constantly keeping watch of it so you can tell that it's all mixed. We are now going to pour this into the volcano. After that, we're going to add the vinegar and the food coloring. Okay. And it's okay if a little bit gets left behind. That's perfectly fine. Now, if Juju can hand me the vinegar and the food coloring.
There you go.
Thank you. And for the food, you only need 2 tablespoons, well, you need about half a cup of vinegar and a tablespoon of the red food coloring. You want to make sure you wipe off your mixing spoon, because if you don't, then the reaction may happen before you get the chance to put it in the volcano. Mix it just a little bit. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. Oh! Oh!
Oh.
It's gone a little bit to the back, but that's perfectly fine.
Not going to mine. Wow.
Going all the way down.
Oh, that's cool.
There's some red over here.
It
matches with the
It
volcano.
actually looks like lava, which is pretty cool.
This is
Oh! Onyx exploded!
Whoa, it's
Oh, goodness! Explode over! Oh, I didn't think he was gonna do that!
I didn't know I was gonna do that.
I thought it was just gonna go in one